Yeah, my name is Vince Bindi, and I'm a co-founder, co-owner of the behavioral health, mental health facility in Orange County, California. And we're operating efficiently for some years, and then we got hit with an EDD audit. And to make a long story short, the EDD was trying to claim that all our therapists were actually employees. And at the time, it was quite shocking, and we contacted some various attorneys, and one attorney really just terrified myself and my business partner, Nick. You know, we came up with potential damages of theoretically several $100,000. Could have been $300,000, $250,000, $400,000. We really didn't know. And also, what we found out, much to our chagrin, is I guess a couple of 3 years ago, I don't know for sure, the state of California passed a new law where if the corporation for some reason couldn't pay all the back fees and penalties due to the EDD from an audit like this, they could come after us personally. So anyway, we called around, interviewed 3 or 4 different attorneys, and also John Milikowsky's law firm was one of the attorneys we interviewed, and fortunately we picked John. You know, all the attorneys sound good on the phone, right, when you first interview them, but something about John that felt right. Plus, he's, came across as very soothing and calm. Because we talked with a couple of other attorneys, and like I said, that one attorney really put the fear of God in us ×3. I mean, laying out all these potential scenarios. I guess they were, that's sometimes a sales technique to terrify somebody when you're an attorney or other professions, and then getting them to sign up with you. John didn't use that approach, more of a straightforward. Yeah, we told him what this other attorney said. And he said, yeah, that could happen, but it's very rare. I've never had that happen to me. It's very remote. So I like that soothing approach. 1, 2, he's very experienced. He laid out all the cases he worked with in the past and dealt with firms similar to us in the medical field about our size. So I like that experience part of it. Yeah, the third thing was just the way he was going to lay out the process. He just laid out the process. Here's what we're going to do first. Here's what we're going to do next. You'll pay a certain amount of money at this point, and then kind of lay it out when the money will be due, and kind of mapped out to the other. A lot of the times you ask an attorney, roughly get me in the ballpark what it's going to cost, and you never get an answer. And John was, no guarantees. You can never get a guarantee from an attorney, obviously. But he kind of laid out a min-max of what it might cost, his legal fees, and I appreciated that as well. To make a long story short, that potential fear of having a debt of $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 got whittled down, negotiated by John's legal firm down to, I believe, $6,000 and change. I could be off by $1,000. Could have been 5, could have been 7. I don't remember. But when that happened, we were jumping for joy, to tell you the truth. And so that's why I'm doing this video. I'm extremely happy with the services. And at the end of the day, results are all that matters in the way I view things. And old John's a great guy, but he, more importantly, reduced the results that we... And I got to tell you, that wasn't even a goal. My goal with my partner Nick, I said, Nick, if John could get it below $100,000, I'd be happy at this point in time. And he got it down to $6,000 and change. So, what more can I say? Wow. Yeah.